Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a new account in TikTok. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TikTok app. Then after, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the profile name. Then here you can see the option of add account. Tap on it. Tap on sign up. You don't have an account, so tap on sign up. Then add your tap on continue with Google or continue with email, continue with Facebook. You can choose either of it. I'll choose continue with Google. Tap on the desired Google account that you want. Add your birth date. Then after, tap on next. Then like this you have created your Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.